And Terminator here. I had pancakes today for breakfast. Didn't realize I was out of syrup. Found some cherry cough syrup though. Wasn't too bad. Now I'm having trouble staying awake. Don't it just peeve you something fierce when people ask you dumb, stupid questions? I'm sitting on a big piece of earth moving equipment. Lady walks up and says to me, "Do you work here?" "Why, no, ma'am. I was just driving down the road. Figured I'd come in here and bulldoze down a few trees, see if anybody notices." Later on, I get down to the bank. After waiting, I get up to the teller's window. She says, "Can I help you?" "Well, no. I had about 20 minutes to burn. Figured I'd stop by and say howdy." Then she says, "How do you want your money?" "Well, in my hand." Down at the store, a pretty young thing walks up and says, "Is there anything I can do for you?" "Well, what did you have in mind?" When I come up to the register, lady says to me, "Did you find everything okay?" I wanted milk and eggs. I wasn't going to look at everything I didn't have all week. Then she says, "Do you want your milk in a bag? Or wouldn't it leak out? I mean, it's already in a jug." Then I'm on my way home. Some idiot is drinking a beer and talking on his cell phone, runs me right into a ditch of water. I'm struggling to get out and save my milk and eggs. Fella drives up and looks down at me and says, "Did you have an accident?" "Well, no. Just didn't have enough money for the car wash."